My name is June, and I'm a full stack developer. So today I just want to go over some tools that we can use to develop both iOS and Android apps using one code base. So in today's industry, there are quite a number of tools out there, and for today's presentation, I'll go through three of them in particular. Let's get started. So for the first product itself, it's Xamarin. Not sure if anyone of you heard of it before. It's developed by Microsoft. It's pretty well developed. It's used by a lot of people out there. So what it does is it actually it's the most native, I would say the most native tool out there to develop because if you could see here, most of the code it's using existing layout, which means that some of the code like for the design wise you still got to write it in Swift, and for Android side you got to do it in Java XML for the base side. But when you go down to the logic and kind of thing, you can write all of it in C sharp. So it allows you to ship fast, and it has all this testing suite in there to bring it forward. But one of the issue with this is that you have to learn C sharp. So if you have not touched C sharp before, you get to start on a new language itself compared to you having to learn Java or having to learn Swift. You can really code one platform out by yourself. So this is one of the best native tools out there, but the drawback is that you get to know a new language if you haven't learned C sharp. If you did, that would be great to do it. So the second tool that is available, it's called Ionic. So what Ionic does is it's a JavaScript platform on top of a web application. So on a mobile phone, you put a web layout on it, and then you put your JavaScript app on top of it. So the issue is that the issue with that is that it's slow, right? And you are limited by a lot of features. I haven't really tried this software much yet, but it seems like a lot of people are using it to develop quite a bit of apps. So you guys might want to try it out to see how great it is. But it is very interesting to see that it's a JavaScript framework and it's X very natively. So behind all this, it is also running on AngularJS. So if you learn Angular, then Ionic might be the way to go for it. And one last tool that I wanted to share is React Native. Not sure if anyone of you heard before. So this tool was created by Facebook. So Facebook wanted a central tool to bridge the iOS and Android gap. So they created this tool out of it, and I think 90% of Facebook code base have been shifted over to React Native. Same for bigger companies as well. Airbnb in particular has shifted most of its code base over. I think for Uber it shifted some of the code base over as well. So one of the great things about React Native is that if you know JavaScript and you know React, then in essence you can develop for both web, Android, and iOS itself. So it's that simple. So this would be something that I'll go in depth for a tutorial in the next few sessions as we come along. So the cool things about this, and it is also the same for Ionic, is that they have things called hot reloading. So one of the great things that Xamarin does not bring out is that you can't edit a piece of code and then it just shows up on the next screen. You got to recompile it and upload it again if any one of your did like Android and iOS apps before. So you can also write native code that you can port it over to React Native itself to redefine it. So yeah, so you can look here, tons of tools are using it. Oh, I never knew that Skype, Tesla, Walmart was also using it. So to sum it all up, I just wanted to show a brief summary of the three tools that I was explain out there. So for Xamarin and React Native, they are pretty similar in the sense that they are more native tools out there. So the thing is, if you know C Sharp, definitely go for Xamarin. If you know JavaScript, definitely stick to React Native. For my side of the house, I mean, you should try Ionic. Ionic might be a good tool as well. I think React Native is good because a lot of people are developing on it. Like, if I'm not wrong, let's do a search on it. So So Airbnb developed the Google Maps feature for React Native itself. So this community is growing at an extremely fast pace. So if you want awesome React Native, and you can see there are tons of great plugins that are out there developed and compiled, like conferences to articles and kind of thing. But I think don't be bombarded by this. Over the next few sessions, over the tutorials, I'll teach you how to set up a basic React Native package to develop both iOS and Android. And even if you are not a programmer, you can just join us in for the next few sessions and I'll bring you through all that. So I hope you like this video. Just click on the like button and the subscribe button down there. And thank you. Have a great day.